Let's examine the key territories based on UN General Assembly votes, where all 193 members have an equal voice. 1. Ukraine, Crimea, and Eastern regions. The clearest measure of the global consensus. UN General Assembly Resolution 68/262, 2014, on the territorial integrity of Ukraine regarding Crimea. Vote 100 in favor, affirming Ukraine's borders, non-recognition of annexation. Against 11, Russia and allies like Syria, North Korea, Belarus, etc. Abstentions 58. Absent, not voting 24. Result: overwhelming majority rejected the change of Crimea's status. UN General Assembly Resolution ES 11/4, 2022, on the territorial integrity of Ukraine regarding the attempted annexation of Donetsk, Luhansk, Zaporizhia, and Kherson. Vote 143 in favor, rejecting annexation. Against 5. Russia, Belarus, Syria, North Korea, Nicaragua. Abstentions 35. Result: a supermajority of the world explicitly rejected Russia's claimed sovereignty. Fact: the claim that Crimea and the 4 Ukrainian oblasts are part of Russia is supported by less than 10 UN member states. The position of the overwhelming majority of UN members, the quote-unquote international community, is that these are Ukrainian territories under Russian occupation. 2. Georgia, Abkhazia, and South Ossetia. There has been no UNGA vote specifically condemning Russia's occupation, but the pattern of recognition is clear. UN member states recognizing their independence: Russia, Nicaragua, Venezuela, Nauru, and Syria. The other 188 UN members do not recognize them as independent. They consider these regions part of Georgia. Fact: the claim that Abkhazia and South Ossetia are independent states is supported by only 5 UN members. The vast majority view them as Georgian territory under Russian control. 3. Moldova, Transnistria. There is no UN member state that recognizes Transnistria as independent, including Russia. All 193 UN members formally recognize Moldova's sovereignty within its internationally recognized borders, which include Transnistria. The presence of Russian troops is considered by Moldova and many other states a violation of its sovereignty. Fact: there is zero recognition of Transnistrian sovereignty. The global consensus is that it is part of Moldova. Russia's territorial claims over Crimea, eastern Ukraine, Abkhazia, and South Ossetia are rejected by an overwhelming supermajority of the world's nations. The global consensus, as reflected in UN votes and recognition tables, is that these areas are occupied territories of Ukraine and Georgia, respectively.